You're watching NBC4 HD. This is News Channel 4.
And when we come back, treating children suffering from attention deficit disorder, can changing a child's diet be an alternative to prescription medication for ADD? Dr. Micheal Papa joins us next with that.
Welcome back, folks. Well, millions of children who are diagnosed with attention deficit disorder are often prescribed drugs like Ritalin to combat this psychiatric condition. However, many people believe that we're over-medicating our kids, and among those believers, Dr. Micheal Papa. He's author of the new book, Prescription ADD, Natural Solutions to Breaking the Prescription Addiction. He believes that sound health can be achieved by more sleep, exercise, and by introducing the entire family to a better and more nutritious diet. Good morning, Dr. Papa. Good to have you here. We were just saying you've been practicing for 18 years, and you work with a lot of children, and you were seeing this. It's your opinion that a lot of doctors are prescribing medications before they even seek more natural alternatives. Is that right?
Absolutely. The course that the doctors are taking, they're not ruling out anything else. And you need to look at other options that possibly may, rather than first opting for the medication. There's like 15 different things that you should be talking to your child about or your physician about before. Prescription medication should be the last alternative
for
your child.
Yes, absolutely.
And most of these prescriptions are not even FDA approved.
And so you're talking about, when you're talking about looking at the whole child, you need to know what that child's nutritional habits are, what their sleep patterns are, any emotional or other incidences within the family unit that could be causing this child to be acting out.
Absolutely, because ADD, ADHD has the same symptomatology as an increased sugar diet, increased caffeine diet, malnutrition, vitamin mineral deficiency, all have the same identical symptomatology, but nobody's addressing that. Nobody's addressing the obesity, possibly the television, sleep habits, family structure. All they're doing right away is going to the medication. And there should be a series of questions parents need to be talking to themselves about and saying, hey, what can I do? And over 18 years, parents are begging now. Look at the organic health food stores. They're packed because parents are looking for alternatives, pesticides, additives in
preservatives,
food.
Absolutely.
And by working with kids over years, we developed the book and questions for parents as a guide. It's written for parents. It's not written for doctors. It's written for a parent to help take them to the level they need to help the child.
Well, let's start with talking about, there are a number of alternatives. The number one thing you say is use fresh ingredients. Get rid of these preservatives and everything, the additives. Let's use fresh vegetables. You're making a vegetable stir fry today for us, right?
Vegetable stir fry. We have a breakfast right here, which is good. And we kind of stay with the whole oat. This is a basically some yogurt, some nuts. We add a little sugar to it. We try to do it with the fruit and so forth, and then we do it like a soup, which with some lemon and carrots, antioxidants.
Lemon's a big antioxidant. You recommend even a banana and lemon, like a shake for breakfast, or along with a little yogurt or some oats, right?
And I was asked about oils. Olive oils, great omega-3s, good for heart disease. And then we do the stir-fried for dinner. Which is terrific. We do some vegetables, fresh vegetables. Always wash the vegetables because of the pesticides. But don't peel, like, for instance, the carrots. Majority of people don't understand the nutrients are in the skin. And when you stir fry and you heat it up, what occurs is it releases the antioxidants and so forth, and the vitamins and minerals, and it is more appropriate. And
not to overcook it too, right? Because you don't want to limp carrots and broccoli, right?
Absolutely. You want to keep it so it's slightly hard. And what's going to happen is parents are going to say, well, my kids, nice doc, but they don't like vegetables. Make them involved with you. Have them help cook. Chop it up with you, involve it. We utilize some nice soy, some arrowroot, some simple ginger, some flavor, and some lemon. I mean, and it comes out wonderful. The children love it. But what you want to do is educate. Knowledge is power. Parents, pick things up, read the bottles, read what you need. to do and create a journal for your child and look at his behavior, see what they're doing, and you can make the changes with your child on your own first.
And start early is the key.
Exactly.
Before they even need medication.
Exactly.
Start them now. Well, Dr. Papa, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for
We really
having me.
appreciate it. And for more information on Dr. Papa's book, of course, you can look at our website, WNBC.com. And still ahead on Weekend Today in New York, Rudy Giuliani's got a new campaign slogan.